It's an extremely tough moment for all of us, and delivering this message really makes our hearts heavy. Ever since we stepped in Nearest, it was you, the batch of 2K15, the class of 2021, that enlightened our steps in the Department of Electrical Engineering. Our beloved seniors, thou art our seniors, now and forever. This bond of Nia between us will go till eternity, and we wish to cross paths with each one of you again. And then again, please guide us as your juniors. From the bottom of our heart, we really want to thank each one of you for making our journey less troublesome and making a special space in our hearts where you all decide. We are nothing but your successors. You rule this place and you guys always will. We wish if we could just reverse this pandemic thing, we would have gotten the opportunity to give you guys proper farewell, and not just digitally. For from now on, there is no one to guide us, no one to provide the shade above our head. We will miss you all so much. Thank you, batch of EE2K15, for everything. Adieu, seniors, and bon voyages, electrical engineers, and lots of love from the batch of 2K16. We all will miss you all. Thank you.
To all the final year seniors, life in Nearest must have been full of emotions for you. Some days were good, some days were bad, but you all lived and crossed the most important phase of your life. As you're heading towards a new path, I wish and pray for your bright and successful future ahead. So I've written some lines for you. I hope you like it. Dear seniors, remember the day when you first entered Nearest? No one knew it would become a place close to your heart, the most dearest. Starting years were tough, days even hard. You experienced all kinds of stuff, but you handled everything. In your life, you decided to be your God. You made friends, you made so many memories. If you think of it, you'll have no regrets, but a book full of moments that you'll always cherish. Be like the rainbow, beautiful and colorful, because life is wonderful. Whatever you do further, be bold and fearless. It's okay if there's a little mess. Life is all about little things, so you should keep faith in your doings. Trust in yourself and achieve your goals. In your life, you definitely have a role. In the end, remember how a bird has to leave its nest. Similarly, you have to face the world to be the best. May your life fill with happiness. You don't need to be like others. You have your own shine. You are no less. You don't need to be like others. You have your own shine. You are no less. With this, I, Christina of Batch 2020, wish you all the luck for your future ahead. To all the NIA final years, we are grateful to have you and thank you for everything.
Dear 2K15 batch,
We, the second year batch,
would like to take this time
to thank you all
for your contribution during your stay at Nearest.
We never thought we have to say goodbye so soon and unprepared.
wish we could have said this in person.
We regret for the opportunity that we lost to spend more time.
Thank you to all final year seniors for being such a good example to us.
We wish you all nothing else but a good and healthy life.
May you follow your dreams and may they come true.
May God be with you all in each and every path you take.
We will miss you all and wish the very best of luck for your future.
Hello everyone, this is Toraj Bey. From the batch of 2017, I would like to wish you a happy and prosperous future ahead. We are sad because you are leaving, but we are happy because you are going to be more successful in your career from now. We may meet again in the office premises or some other places, but you will be always there in our mind. with the sweet and bitter memories. Once again, wish you a happy and prosperous life.
Good things and happy moments never last long. They fly so fast that we can't realize when the end comes. On this occasion, I would like to thank all of you for all of your advices. I will always keep them in my mind. When everything was unknown and unfamiliar, you were the ones who gave me strength and inspired me a lot. It was a great pleasure to encounter you in this lifetime.
On behalf of your juniors, we wish you all the very best and great achievements in the next part of your journey in life, with bundles of joy and happiness and mountains of success. We wish you good wishes and to live your dreams in each and every moment.
From the first day of college to understanding lectures and to staying in hostels, everything becomes smoother because of you. You have taught us how to cope up with this new environment while we are staying away from our home. You have also taught us how to ease up with the struggle of studying. You have become our guardian angels for all this time.
This COVID pandemic, we can't be together to give you a grand farewell, but thanks to this digital medium, we can convey our heartfelt wishes to you. It has been 4 years in college. You have guided us through all our extracurricular activities and studies. Hope you remain connected like this after the college life also, to guide us through our difficult phases and struggles in life. Once again, goodbye to all the seniors of batch of 2K15. May you have the brightest future ahead.
दिल भर हो यार जिसको तुझसे हो प्यार
evening, everyone. And myself, Atul Akab from Sikkim. And this song is for all the fellow students of 2021. And the song is Chalte Chalte. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। प्यार करते करते हम तुम कहीं खो जाएंगे, इन्हीं बहारों के आंचल में थक के सो जाएंगे। प्यार करते करते हम तुम कहीं खो जाएंगे, इन्हीं बहारों के आंचल में थक के सो जाएंगे। सपनों को फिर भी तुम यूं ही सजाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। बिछड़ा हमें दिलबर, बिछड़ जाए कहीं हम मगर, और सुन सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये डगर। बिछड़ा हमें दिलबर, बिछड़ जाए कहीं हम मगर, और सुन सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये डगर। हम लौट आएंगे तुम जो ही बुलाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।